Come on, bro.
Oh shit, there we go, dude.
Nice. Cold sniper never lets me down, dude. Hit it on the drop, bro.
Nice.
Ooh, it's calico. Yo, check it out, guys. Little calico on the cold sniper. Let him go.
You're using the ahi?
Brown ahi. Yeah. Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here fishing with my boy Aaron. We got some new gear that we're testing out, so we decided doesn't matter the weather. It's cold. It might rain, but we're still gonna come out here and try it anyways. Hopefully we have good fishing content, so stick around. Let's get to fishing. Starting to rain on us, so we're switching cameras because my other camera is not 100% waterproof. So I'm gonna stick you guys in the rod holder right here and point it at both of us. I don't know if you can see, my glasses are getting pretty spotty, but we're still gonna keep fishing. Rain or shine.
Rain or shine.
Hope so. That's what it said earlier. Oh, dude, did you just get hit?
Oh.
Bro. Come on, bro. New gear.
I got two trigger happy, dude.
You felt it though, right?
Yeah.
What do you hit on the fall?
Yeah. It's like right when I stopped is when I got hit.
Got one? Oh shit, Aaron's on, guys. There we go. In the rain. That's a whitefish. Nice. Nice, Aaron.
Little whitefish, guys.
Guys, it's raining. Well, it's actually stopping now. The sun's starting to peek through, so we're gonna try to get on more fish. Let's do it. Come on, boy.
Oh, nice, dude.
On the browser rod, boy.
Oh, shit.
Doesn't feel very big. Watch it be nothing, because it's not fighting back now. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's a little baby calico.
Hey.
Sweet. Baby. Baby calico. This guy ate this big swim bait. Nice. See you later, buddy. Nice. Calico?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Calico.
A little bit. There you go. Alright, stop. Bro!
Oh shit. Good save, dude. Thank you.
Saved it, guys. Yo, look what the storm brought in. That trash barrel out here in Point Loma. What the hell? It's like almost like a car, man. Alright, buddy. Got it. Barely. Saw a lot of people though. I guess everybody else is in the butt. Alright guys, let's see if we can get this in the first shot. Beautiful. Alright guys, back on the trailer. Aaron and I had a blast even though it rained on us. So I'm glad you guys stuck through this video. You know what to do. Comment, like, subscribe. Hit us up on Instagram or leave us comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching guys. Stay fishy. Peace out. Yo, check it out, bro. Today's been a grind. You feel me? A grind.